What's going on, guys? It's Alex from Tech Eris, and we are unboxing the HP ZBook X2. Welcome back, guys. We are going to take a look at the new HP ZBook X2. These are the new ZBook X2s with the 8th generation Intel Core i7 processors. So these are going to be the upgraded versions that everybody's been waiting for. We got our hands on a review unit, and we've only got it for a few weeks. A very limited time frame for us. We're going to do a quick unboxing video here and just show you what this thing looks like real quick, and we should have a full review in the next 2 or 3 weeks right there on techeris.com. Let's just get into it, man. Packaging is really nice. This box is solid, and the whole box is extremely heavy, much heavier than any laptop that I've used. So take that off there, and the first thing you are presented with is the ZBook X2. Little tab there to pull it up, and that thing is heavy. Let's put that to the side for a minute and see what's on the bottom there. Lift up the cardboard out of the way, and of course there is the keyboard, which is super light. With the plastic off of that in a minute. We'll put that to the side. So we got the keyboard, which, if you know anything about the ZBook X2, many of these hybrid laptop tablet type devices, a lot of the times the internals, GPUs and everything are located inside of the keyboard rather than in the tablet. With the ZBook, everything is in the tablet. Your GPU's in the tablet, so you can use this thing in tablet mode and run Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Lightroom, all the heavy duty stuff you can run just on the tablet. You don't need the keyboard, which is sweet. Of course, you get your documentation and other things that most people don't read. And underneath that, you have your power brick and power cord, more documentation, some extra pins for something. Not sure what that is. And your pen for you artists out there who plan on using the ZBook to draw, which this is very capable of doing, and a holster for your pen. So those are all cool, but I know you guys want to see the actual device and keyboard, so we're going to get the whole box out of here. So we don't need that. And we're going to take the plastic off these guys here. Let's start with the keyboard here. Get that off of there. Everybody loves opening these sweet plastic coverings. It's like Christmas. Alright. So this is the keyboard, and you see it has the docking pins there. Attaches to your actual ZBook X2, and this thing is really, really slim, really light. Nice clicky trackpad. It is. I don't think there's hardly anything in here. It's probably powered by the actual unit. Let's see here. Keyboard feels nice, nice chiclet style. A little bit of travel there, but not hugely massive and not shallow like the MacBook Pro. The back end kind of looks like a, just like your basic tablet cover keyboard deal. It's really solid. It's actually made of metal here. It's all aluminum, and the rest is kind of a rubbery plastic, flexible material. Feels solid though, real solid. Let's see here. There's no give there, so that's nice. We'll put that to the side. Let's get to the main show here. Let's get to the ZBook X2. This is what you came to look at. This is what we're gonna open. All right. Back to the side, and there she is. Nice matte finish display. And the connectors on the bottom for the keyboard. Right at the bottom there, a lot of screws. I'm not sure if we could actually open this thing up. We're not going to try to do that, but we'll have to find out if there's possibility of upgrading or doing anything within the tablet. I'm assuming you cannot, because most things these days are pretty locked up that you can't do that. Over here on the we'll call this the left side, you got your, it looks like volume rocker, power button, headphone jack, all necessary. This is especially necessary for those who want to run Premiere Pro and they like to use headphones to do their video editing in, especially if you're somewhere where it's in a loud environment. It's nice to have the headphone jack there. And this thing is solid. This is heavy. It has Bang & Olufsen speakers on the top here. 1, 2. Oh, you can see the Bang & Olufsen right there. On the back end, you got a camera. Not sure I'd ever use that, but, and you have your Z branding. And there's plenty, it looks like, yep, right here, all along here. This entire thing is not, it is just a certain area here and a certain area right over here that's for ventilation for your CPU and GPU. So that'll push the heat away from the processors and out, which if you're running heavy programs you're going to need. It looks like, yes, the kickstand. This kickstand is really nice. I saw this out at CES and I really like that kickstand. It's one of the nice features on this machine. Over on this side is where you have your ports. It's like 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C type ports right there, and HDMI. Not sure if that's 2.0, 3.0. I'm not sure what version HDMI that is. USB-A, and we'll have to look at the specs to see if that's 3.0. I'm sorry, HDMI 2.4 I meant. So we'll have all the specs written out in our full review, written review, and I'll link down below to the HP website for this actual setup, and you could take a look for yourself. Looks like micro SD card. Yep, that's for your, not micro SD, but your SD card. And you can actually use, you could probably use a micro SD adapter in there, so that should be fine. Yep, and on this side, oh yeah, I got the power button already. And then you got several controls on the actual screen itself here. I'll have to get in depth with the review once I start playing with it. We'll figure out what everything does. Let's see if this thing has any juice in it. Let's power it up and see what happens. May or may not. Oh, it does. Nice. Let's put that kickstand up. Let's see. There we are. There it is. Alright, let's get it where you can see it. Alright. So this is it. You know, definitely a very nice professional videographer, photographer, artist type machine. Like I said, we have a very limited time with this machine. We're going to try to put it through its paces as much as we can over the next week or two, and we'll be sending it back to HP as they have plenty of people that want to get their hands on it. So there you go. That's the unboxing and first run around look of the HP ZBook X2, and thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.